Coniferous corridor, leaf-lined lane, senses overwhelmed by sight, sound and smell. Petrichor echoes bringing peace to where once chaos reigned. I feel at once at home and in a universe parallel. The sound of the tread of my shoes digging into a mixture of earth and stone. A feeling of a million eyes staring at me in quiet fear. I am surrounded but all alone. A splash of water brings release and relief from this standoff. Eyes averted from this tall, awkward creature to where genuine danger may lay. A cry goes up to warn all those whose attention may have strayed. Kinship never betrayed. Wing flap applause rings out as skittish birds take to the air, without a care, as though I was never there. My breath suddenly sounds loud, awkward. Gone the fluid rhythm, the limping trip-hop beat emanating from my feet. I approach a bench to take a seat. Suddenly vulnerable but still at peace, stress and strain released. A long hard breath to calm me down. I stand and wait to hear once more, a million eyes strain to see. This awkward creature tall and slow, is he friend or is he foe? When once again a splash is heard, to scare to flight each frightened bird. I carry on my path to seek, the trip-hop limp begins to beat. The dappled sun warms my skin as the path widens to an exit sign. I've reached the end of the line. Somewhere another splash is heard, and to the air take countless birds. I will return time and again, in sunshine, snow and autumn rain. I'm not a threat, I'm only here to take some steps and feed my soul with nature's bounty to behold.